Let's speak for a moment about landlord-tenant law. This is, of course, the situation where you lease either an apartment, a home, a condominium, or perhaps even a commercial space in the example of a small business that you may be starting. If you learn nothing else from this video, the most crucial component to this is a clear, concise, written lease at the outset. So all the parties are well aware of their obligations, their expectations, and what they need to carry out during the lease term. The first and foremost, the term of the lease should be clear and concise. How many months or years? When does it start? When does it end? Number two is the monthly rental amount. What is due? Is it a base rent and there's an additional fee due to that, or is it simply one lump sum? Number three is a security deposit. Will one be taken? What type of an account will it be held in, and what are the circumstances in which that security deposit will be returned? Number four, which you'll often run into, is last month's rent. Is that a requirement of the lease term as well? And then number five is some more of the miscellaneous items. Can you have a pet? Who's responsible to pay for the heat and electric? Who's responsible for any landscaping and or snow removal? Things of that nature. If you have all these items encapsulated in a lease, it really decreases the likelihood of each party ending up in landlord-tenant court for a dispute. However, even with the most perfect lease in the world, sometimes these things arise. There are situations, of course, where a tenant can withhold the rent, and whether or not that is justified is a real fact-specific type of issue that the judges often have to decide, and in order to present that to a judge, you need a competent real estate attorney. There may be situations where heat and hot water was not provided for a while. Perhaps there's outstanding Board of Health issues with the unit. Perhaps the unit was not ready on the commencement date of the lease, and you had to wait a week or two to take occupancy, so rent was not paid for that period. There's a multitude of issues that can arise with landlord-tenant law, but if you have a clear and concise lease at the outset and you have a competent attorney involved in it, it'll really decrease your time in court and perhaps even allow you to settle the matter and move on with a seamless and enjoyable tenancy.